Welcome to GitHub tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how you can set up the GitHub and how you can set up the project on your GitHub directory if you have any existing products. So let's start. So first of all, you need to open the github.com. Once you open, please log into the github.com. Then you can see in the left side there is recent repositories. I have a lot of repositories, but you just need to click on new repository. Then just type your repository name like test repo. And if you want to make it public or you want to make it private, you can also do that, or you can also add the description of the repository test repo for testing. So you can mention the description, the use of directory. If you want to make the repository private, that means that nobody can access it. If you want to give access to any user, so you can add their email ID to this particular repository, and then you can then he can also contribute to your project. But if it is public, then anyone can access your code and anyone can create the pull request if if you want to contribute. Okay, so let's make it public for now. Add redeem file. So redeem file is necessary, means you can add some instructions and you can add some description in that. Git ignore is also important if you want to ignore any folder that should not be, commit with the git, like cache folders, and also you can use this git ignore. And license, if there is open source license of your project and anything like that, so you can select the license as well. And now create git repository. So you can see your repository is created, and now you can push your code in this repository. In the next video, we'll see how we can commit the files in the Git repo.